The realtors of the Mosaic community are having a community-wide open house event this Saturday, September 14th from noon to 2 p.m. If you're interested in seeing the homes available in the Mosaic community in Daytona Beach, this is a great opportunity to see almost all of them in a couple of hours on Saturday afternoon. Some of these homes are brand new, never lived in, and others are resales but are less than 5 years old and built to the latest building codes. All of them are in the awesome Mosaic community. The Mosaic community has a low $120 per month HOA fee, but tons of amenities, including 2 pools, one for families and one for adults only, a very nice club room with a full kitchen, a workout room with top-of-the-line life fitness equipment, a children's playground with fun equipment and swings, a bandstand with regular community events, and a fire pit overlooking Lake Mosaic. Additionally, Mosaic is located near everything. A Publix is right around the corner, numerous restaurants. It's 15 or 20 minutes to the beach and very close to the Daytona International Airport. All of the realtors are offering prizes and food at each open house. Many of you may have heard that under the new regulations, for a realtor to show you a home, there must be an agreement signed by you as a prospective buyer, disclosing what the realtor's compensation will be should you decide to buy a home the realtor shows you. Many buyers are reluctant to sign an agreement with a realtor they just met, and for those buyers that have purchased a house in the past, this is quite different from what has been done for years when realtors were free to show you homes before you decide who you want to work with in a home buying process. The good news is open houses are exempt from the new regulations. So to see these open houses, you don't have to sign an agreement to see them. So come see us this Saturday, September 14th from noon to 2 p.m. There's some awesome deals available right now. As mortgage rates have been falling, more buyers are entering the market, so the prices are very likely to start going up. If you need to move, take advantage of these deals available today. If you have questions, please call or text me, Robert Martin, at 386-898-0700, or you can call one of the other realtors in the attachment below. Check out the attached list of homes that will be open Saturday. We'll see you then. Who knows, you might win one of the several gift cards being offered, or maybe you'll find the perfect home that you've been dreaming about.